B&O H9i is H9 noise-canceling headset that was officially launched earlier this year at CES 2108. Although it has been more than 2 years since I debuted, I still haven't upgraded because I own H9 and feel no need to change. However, after actual experience, I decided to upgrade from H9 to H9i for the following reasons. In terms of design, H9i has not changed much from its predecessor. Overall, H9i is a combination of metal, plastic and genuine leather. B&O always perfect its products, so when you hold H9i, you will immediately feel the luxury and comfortable wearing feeling. About the durability of your product, please rest assured. H9i has a slightly smaller ear pad than H9 but still ensures to cover the user's ears and provide great comfort. The collapse of the ear pad makes the H9i look a bit tidier, and makes it easier to carry around. The biggest change is the switch from micro USB port to USB-C. This port makes connecting and charging the battery become much faster and more convenient. The battery on the H9i is also fully integrated into the battery instead of removable like before. This makes the overall design becomes more seamless and beautiful. H9i also has better battery life than H9 with a total time up to 18 hours, 4 hours higher than H9. Actual experience, the battery life achieved is close to the published level of the manufacturer. The H9i also comes with an proximity sensor that can stop music automatically when you take your headphones off and automatically play music when you put it on. This is one of the features that I like on BMW PX and H9 I also own. The operation on/off to prevent noise, increase or decrease the volume on H9i is made easy by the touch gestures on the ear cup. It only takes you a few minutes to get acquainted right away. B&O also equipped the transparency mode for H9i so you can hear the sounds around you without having to put down the headset through touching the ear cup. This is essential if you travel frequently at the airport and need to hear the notices. B&O also said that they improved their ability to connect via Bluetooth, but I do not care much because the headset and the phone are always close to each other, so the distance is not a big problem. The plus point here is that H9i can now connect two devices at the same time to help users more convenient in listening to music and conversation. The noise resistance of H9i is also improved, the actual experience, and compared to H9, I find H9i removes the voice and some bass sounds better. However, because of the better noise protection, in some cases, if the user has ears that are too sensitive, they may feel uncomfortable. Improving noise cancelling while also improving sound quality when you turn on noise. For some headsets that do this poorly, when noise is turned on, the sound quality will be greatly affected. Sound quality is obvious interested in. At first I thought B&O only changed a little in appearance and features and the sound quality was unchanged, but I was wrong. Overall, H9i has quite bright and dry sound quality, has high clarity and fine details. The most obvious difference is in the bass range. H9 used to have a lot of bass, buzzing and lack of control, but now H9i has handled it better. H9i's bass is accurate, deeper and better controlled, but not as bluff as before. Mid has also changed a bit, thanks to the better control of the bass. The mid has more room to perform. H9i has a thin and dry mid-range, suitable for female vocalists and quite picky listeners. Trub of H9i quite a lot and makes many people not used to it will be tired of hearing when listening for a long time. However, if anyone likes to listen to music without words, this treb sound is more catchy. In addition to the sound quality and things mentioned above, there are some other small changes that maybe only anyone who upgraded from H9 to H9i can clearly see, such as, the volume is bigger at the same volume, faster on/off, sound quality is less affected when noise is turned on and off. For myself, the upgrade from H9 to H9i is well worth it. However, if not really perfectionist, H9 is still good enough for you to use daily and wait for the next upgrade from B&O.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.